Welcome to the Rudick Report. Today is Tuesday, November 18th, 2025. I hear a lot of influencers talking about a $3, $5, $10, and even a $20 XRP. But in my opinion, the case for XRP reaching triple-digit prices by the end of 2025 is stronger than ever, driven by three unstoppable forces: regulatory clarity, institutional adoption, and global financial infrastructure upgrades. The SEC lawsuit resolution has removed the single biggest obstacle to U.S. institutional participation. XRP is now legally recognized as not a security in secondary markets, which means that banks, payment providers, and asset managers can integrate XRP without any compliance risk. This clarity transforms XRP from a speculative token into a regulated, trusted settlement asset, which is an absolute game changer. Second, we have the launch of the XRP ETFs, which is in process right now. This will open the floodgates for institutional capital. ETFs have already revolutionized Bitcoin, attracting billions in inflows within months. For XRP, which is deeply tied to real-world utility in cross-border payments and tokenized assets, ETF adoption could ignite demand far beyond retail speculation. Analysts project 5 to 20 billion in inflows in the first year alone, and that's just the beginning. Third, XRP's role as a bridge currency for global settlements positions it at the epicenter of a financial revolution. ISO 222 adoption, tokenization of real-world assets, and the migration to real-time settlement systems create a multi-trillion-dollar liquidity market. XRP's design as a high-velocity token means traditional market cap logic doesn't apply. Its price reflects liquidity demand, not just speculative value. If XRP becomes the backbone of the global settlement, triple-digit prices are not only possible, they're inevitable. And finally, technical analysis backs this thesis. XRP recently broke out of an 8-year bullish pennant, a rare continuation pattern that historically signals explosive upside. If this pattern completes, targets of $100 to $200 are just not plausible, they are technically justified. Combine this with institutional adoption, ETF-driven liquidity, and global financial integration, and XRP is poised for a historic run that could redefine the entire digital asset market. For XRP holders, the next 12 to 18 months could be life-changing. We are witnessing the convergence of regulatory clarity, institutional trust, and technological transformation on a global scale. XRP is no longer just a cryptocurrency, it's becoming the backbone of a new financial system built on speed, efficiency, and interoperability. As trillions of dollars in liquidity migrate to blockchain-based settlement rails, XRP stands ready to capture a share of that flow. For those positioned early, the upside is extraordinary. $100, $200 by year-end 2025 isn't just a dream. It's a scenario backed by fundamentals, adoption trends, and technical signals. The future of finance is being written right now, and XRP is at the center of the story. So until next time, this is the Rudick Report.